We need to start out with a pie plate. So here's a pie plate, and you want to give that a good spray and then set that aside. Torta degli adobi comes from the word adobare, which means ornaments. And to begin the rice part, we have to start with 2 cups of water in a pan and 2 cups of milk. And we're going to be using not regular rice for this, but arborio rice, the same rice that's used to make risotto. Just a little pinch of salt goes in. And now let me get the rest of the ingredients for that. Because now we have our rice, which is here. This is the arborio rice. And you see that's a short grain rice, and it can absorb a lot of liquid. And with it, we want a 1/2 cup of sugar. So you put all of this into a saucepan, and you stir this until the sugar dissolves, and you bring this up to a boil. And when the milk and water mixture comes to a boil, that's when you put in your rice. So you want about 1 cup and 3 tablespoons of arborio rice. You stir that in. You got to watch this now, because I've done this before where it's just kind of flopped all over the stove. So you got to keep your eye on that. When that comes to a boil, you want to turn down the heat a little bit and let all of the rice absorb the liquid, and then you're ready to go. And when the rice is cooked, it looks like this. Here's some that I did a little earlier before you came over, and you see it's nice and thick and fluffy. And now what we need to do is add some other ingredients to this. So we have 4 tablespoons of softened butter. We want to get that mixed in with it. And then you want to have some eggs. I want to lighten this up a little bit. So we want 3 eggs. All right, there are our eggs. And now we need, again, some lemon zest. So here's the zest of 1 lemon. I did that one before, so it wouldn't fall into the bowl. And then some citron. Now here's citron. So if you didn't have this, if you couldn't find this, you could use orange or lemon rind, candied orange or lemon rind. So I think that makes a really pretty color together with the rice. So there's the citron. That was about 1/2 cup. And then we want some almonds. So there's about 1/3 cup of almonds. And did I tell you that this is a crustless pie? This is what is so nice about this. You don't have to have the fear of baking a crust. This is a crustless pie. Absolutely delicious. Okay, so now we can move this out of the way. And this is ready to go. Our oven is on at 425 degrees. And we put all of that into a 9-inch pie dish. Smooth it out. And that's all there is to that. And that goes into the oven, for about 30-35 minutes until it's just beautifully browned on top.